Onions are an indispensable ingredient of Indian cooking. However, the incredible health benefits of the humble onion are often unknown. Also, did you know that you could make tea with onions? An article published in the European Clinical Nutrition Journal says that our immune system can be strengthened by consuming onion tea. Here is how to brew a cup of hot onion tea. Boil 2 cups of water. Into the rapidly boiling water, add the onion pieces. Boil it for some time and add bay leaf and cloves to it. Let it boil for some time until the water changes its color. Carefully sieve and pour it into a cup. Add honey for the sweetness and stir it well. Your onion tea is ready. It is advisable to be consumed every day in the morning for good health.